Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody, you're welcome again to AL-AYYÜBY YouTube channel. Today I want you to learn some words that relate to to airplane in Arabic. In some of my previous videos, I made detailed explanations on nakiratun and ma'rifatun, that is definite and indefinite nouns. So the words I will be teaching you today, you can use them in both forms. You can use them in definite and indefinite forms. For example, airplane in Arabic, that is aeroplane, is called ta'iratun. Ta'iratun, that is in the indefinite form without alif and lam. It can also be called at-ta'iratu in the definite form, adding alif and lam. So that is aeroplane. Now the words I want you to learn about an aeroplane today include hujratun fi ta'ira. Hujiratun fi ta'ira, or you say al-hujratu fi ta'ira, or you call it hujratu ta'ira. That is the cabin that is present in an airplane. Also, there is a place called siqatu ta'ira. Siqatu ta'ira. That is the airplane wing. Airplane wing, you can see it there. There is also what we call Makusuratu Tayyar. Makusuratu Tayyar. At-Tayyar is the pilot, the one that drives the aeroplane. Makusuratu Tayyar. Makusuratu means a small space that serves as a house, as a mini house somewhere. So this expression is used to mean the cockpit where the pilots stay to drive the airplane. Toyaronu, that is flight. Toyaronu, flight. And iqla'un, that one is take off. You say, aqla'ati ta'ira, the airplane took off. Aqla'ati ta'ira, the airplane took off. So let me come again. Hujratun fi ta'ira, or al-hujratu fi ta'ira, cabin. Siqatu ta'ira, that is the aeroplane wing. Makusuratu tayyar, that's the cockpit. Tayyaron means flight, and iqla'un means take off.